sound boy, turning into and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Join us on stage. Sequence Sound Station. Sequence, come join me on stage. And this one is personal. Wait a minute. Lottie and the crew, come.
Come on, Lottie. Okay, Lottie. Don't be shy.
Come join us on stage. We have an award for Sequence. Let me tell you something. I got to South Florida in 1994, and a couple of these guys, we spent hours in a little studio called Jamaican Studio with the late Mr. Wong. And these guys have been providing a musical vibe in South Florida for, it's probably close to about 30 years. It's 40, give me a number, Lottie. 35, they want to be exact. Let me say that again. Ladies and gentlemen, they've been providing the sound vibes in South Florida for about 225 years. Lottie is a vampire, you understand me? He's come back 3 times already, you know? But on the real note, congratulations, because these guys not only have been playing, but many of us are DJs now that are international, have cut, as we say, cut them eye teeth. If not on the sound, getting advice from some of these, learning from these guys. So, once a big respect. Sound systems live forever. Nobody make nobody fool you. You understand? Sound systems are carrying reggae music worldwide. So, congratulations to Sequence. And Miss Peggy, take it away.
Good evening and thank you so much. Well, Sequence, I Sequence, on behalf of Big Rig Production Incorporated, sponsoring, powered by the Sweet Jamaica Independence Festival, we hereby present Sequence, the Dawn Sound, with a Lifetime Achievement Award in recognition and appreciation for the solid foundation you laid for Jamaican sound systems to be part of the backbone of South Florida music and culture.
Yes.
Thank you, Sequence.
Yes.
Give it up for Sequence.
A round of applause. Make some noise for Sequence.
Yeah. It's about time. It's long awaited, but very, very much appreciated, okay? Thanks to the city of Lauderhill, Colin and the Climax crew, maximum respect, all the fans, WAVS in our early days. My fans, my family, much love, more blessing, music is life. Showmax, big it up, Mike, Colin, Lauderhill, Showmax and Big Grip. The big man wants to say something.
Blessings. And don't forget to all them young selectors out there, read the road code, Badman Sound.
Mr. Lexus.
And most of all, we thank the supporters.
Yes.
Because if it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be here. And thank the God up above. Keep us going strong. You understand me? So big up on yourself. Sequence the dance on for the years. For life.
All right. So it was fun. Hey, let me ask you something. You guys have a website yet? Because Sequence need a website, you know. Sequence Sound on Instagram. You can follow them that way. Sequence Sound on YouTube and IG. May I do your PR work for you, know, all right?
Sound boy, turning into and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.